Christmas Day. It's the time for family, festivity, and of course, gift giving. But have you ever stopped to wonder why we give gifts on December 25th? If you think it's all about the three wise men or the nativity story, think again. The history behind this tradition is far more complicated, and it has a lot to do with Saint Nicholas, medieval customs, and even marketing more than the Bible itself. Let's start with the common assumption, the three wise men. Many people believe that we exchange gifts on Christmas Day to honor the gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh that the Magi brought to baby Jesus. But here's the truth. The Bible never connects the Magi's gifts to a tradition of gift-giving amongst Christians, and their visit never even happened on Christmas Day. It likely occurred weeks or months after Jesus was born. Interestingly, early Christians did not actually celebrate Christmas as we do in our day. The first recorded Christmas celebrations did not happen until the 4th century, after Emperor Constantine declared Christianity the official religion of the Roman Empire. Even then, it was primarily a religious event with no mention of gift-giving. In fact, for centuries, the focus of Christmas was attending church services, fasting, and reflecting on the birth of Christ. Giving gifts was not part of the equation at all. So where does the idea of giving gifts come from? For that, we need to look at St. Nicholas Day, which is celebrated on December 6th. St. Nicholas was a 4th century bishop in what is now modern-day Turkey, known for his generosity and care for the poor. One of the most famous stories about him involves secretly leaving bags of gold for a poor family to use as paying dowries for their daughters. Over time, his feast day became associated with gift-giving, especially in Europe. In many parts of Europe, children would leave their shoes out on St. Nicholas Eve, hoping to find small gifts or treats the next morning. This tradition has nothing to do with Christmas Day and was entirely focused on celebrating St. Nicholas's spirit of generosity. It wasn't until much later, as Protestant reformers downplayed the veneration of saints, that the gift-giving associated with St. Nicholas Day began to merge with Christmas. By the 16th and the 17th centuries, especially in Germany and the Netherlands, the figure of St. Nicholas evolved into new characters like Father Christmas or Sinterklaas, who would deliver gifts around Christmas instead of December 6th. The modern practice of giving gifts on Christmas Day was cemented during the Victorian era, thanks to Queen Victoria and Prince Albert. Their embrace of festive family traditions like wanting to go and decorate a Christmas tree and exchanging of presents helped popularize Christmas as a time for generosity and togetherness. By the late 19th century, this image of Christmas spread across Europe and the United States. And then, of course, came the influence of consumerism. By the 20th century, retailers saw the potential of Christmas as a major shopping event. The gift-giving tradition, once modest and personal, became a commercial phenomenon. Advertisements and holiday campaigns encouraged people to buy more and bigger gifts for their loved ones. So as we unwrap our presents this Christmas, it's worth remembering that the tradition of giving gifts did not start with the three wise men. Not that there was three wise men, but we just think it is because of the gold and the frankincense and the myrrh. So 3 gifts, hence we think it's 3 men. Anyway, it's a blend of St. Nicholas's generosity, medieval customs, and Victorian innovation, all wrapped up with a big bow of modern marketing. But what do you think? Does knowing the history change how you feel about giving gifts? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more deep dives into fascinating stories. Merry Christmas, everyone.